Hey guys, what's going on? It's Soul Expression of Ufulu Child, and I'm super duper happy right now because I want to tell you about this idea that we're going to execute in the very, very near future. So if you go to our homepage, one of the new buttons that you're going to see is called Plant-Based Cook-Along. Now, Plant-Based Cook-Along is very simple. It's just like what it sounds like. You cook along with us, with me, with Tensi, with whoever's going to be in the kitchen running the plant-based cook-along for that day. Now, how you set it up is basically you're going to click the button on the homepage that says plant-based cook-along, schedule a Zoom call where we get to talk about, what dish you want to make and what ingredients you already used to, that you're familiar with, and which ones you're excited to try and put into your flavor repertoire for yourself for the first time. And the whole purpose of a plant-based cook-along is so that we can help you into living your freedom lifestyle the way that you want to live it, right? So one recipe at a time, one sort of quick meal and portion size correction at a time, we can help you by sort of teaching you how to fish. Remember that old story of the man that went to the fisherman and said, hey, how much... that said, hey, how much do you charge for your fish? And the man said, well, I can charge you $10 for a single fish, or I can charge you $50 and just teach you how to fish, help you get the right equipment, and then you can fish for free for the rest of your life. And so that's what we want to do with the freedom lifestyle, right? Ufulu Child is 100% for you being able to do this at your pace, not by yourself, but at your pace, because we have the whole community doing it with you. So that's what we're doing, right? We're gonna come together. We're gonna cook a plant-based meal. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about how to flavor it. We're gonna make it really, really, really fun, obviously, and then we're gonna, do this whole experience where you come away with something. Not only do you have more plant-based, organic, probably ingredients in your house now, most definitely organic, but you also have meals prepped for days to come. You have a new meal that you can whip up. All of our recipes that we'll be doing the plant-based cook-along with are very simple, quick and easy things to do that you never knew could taste so good and fill you up with so much joy. So I just wanted to come here and give you a quick update, tell you what this new button on our homepage is all about. If you would like to schedule your very own personalized plant-based cook-along with us, then do me a favor, go to our homepage, www.ufuluchild.com, click on the plant-based cook-along picture thing button, and I will see you all on the other side. All right?